Alright guys, welcome back to Street Level Reality. Today we're walking through the heart of Amsterdam, starting at the Dam Square, also known locally as the Dam. And this is the Royal Palace here. A quick look at this bad boy. Some pretty nice architecture around here, Madame Tussauds. And this is the historic center of the Dutch capital, one of the busiest public squares in Europe. Right, take a look at this one. And here we go, we're going to walk around Amsterdam a little bit. The Dam Square. It's been Amsterdam's central gathering place for over 700 years. Thankfully, they've got their stuff together. You can get some hot dogs here if you want to. Hot dogs, hamburgers, and a pigeon flying in my lap. Check out all these pigeons. Just what the world needs, more pigeon content. Interesting. Here we go. Palestine, Israel, who are you rooting for? There are bicycles all over the place in Amsterdam, so you better watch yourself. You're walking around filming and talking and being overall ding-dong like I'm being right now. All right, Amsterdam itself, home to 940,000 residents. The greater metropolitan area, housing 2.5 million. Median age, 37, pretty young for Europe. Got 52% female, 48% male. You're gonna notice how young the city feels. Lots of universities, thriving upstarts, keeping the scene young. Now we're going to get away from the square, show you a little bit what it looks like downtown. Amsterdam's incredibly diverse. 56% residents have a Dutch background. 44% immigrant background, either first or second generation. Amsterdam has some of the highest salaries in the Netherlands. Median household income is between 55 and 65,000 euros. Average salary for professionals between 50 and 75,000 euros. Tech and finance workers over 100,000 euros annually. Housing is a big pain point for Amsterdam. Average apartment purchase, 500 to 700,000 euros. Canal homes often exceed 2 million euro. As far as rent, average studio rent, 1,400 to 1,900 euro. One bedroom, 1,700 to 2,400, and a family apartment, 2,500 to 4,000. The Rubber Duck Store. Apparently they sell them rubber duckies. That's the second store we've seen just selling rubber duckies. I thought one seemed excessive. Amsterdam is expensive by European standards. Coffee, 3 to 5 euro. Restaurant meal, 20 to 35 euro. Beer, 6 to 8. Grocery bill, 300 to 450. Tourism is one of Amsterdam's largest drivers, with approximately 20 to 25 million visitors annually. There's another Mama Duck store down that way. 3 rubber ducky stores. Many people come here for the historic canals, museums, architecture, cycling culture, nightlife, coffee shops, festivals, and river cruises. There are nearly 900,000 bicycles in the city. Amsterdam is highly educated, with nearly half the adults having a university degree. Unemployment remains low, 3 to 5%. And safety, considered to be a safe city. Biggest concern tends to be bicycle theft, pickpocketing, tourist scams, and drunk visitors around the nightlife district. With violent crime still being uncommon. Quality of life here is super high, excellent health care, efficient infrastructure, walkability, cycling, public transit, strong environmental policies, and work-life balance. I don't know about you guys, but I like this little side street, little bar here, there, restaurant action in Amsterdam. Take a look at this building across the way here. That is where we are heading. That is Amsterdam Central Station. Amsterdam has over 165 canals. There are approximately 1,700 bridges in the city, and much of the city sits below sea level. The Royal Palace we saw at the Dam Square was originally built as Amsterdam City Hall during the Dutch Golden Age.
Eu tava fazendo alguma doidice e só vendo aquela arrumação delas duas. Aí ela puxava a menina para um lado, ela puxava a menina para o outro.
And I think we're going to wrap it up here, guys. Be sure and hit that like and subscribe button and come along on the next one with us as we walk towards Grand Central Station.